The Pacific Northwest is conifer country, populated with Goliath trees that tower over the forest, such as the Douglas-fir, Pseudotsuga menziesii, variety menziesii. Douglas-fir is often prominent in mixed evergreen and conifer forests of Northern California, with sporadic occurrences south of the Santa Cruz Mountains to as far south as the Purisima Hills of Santa Barbara County. These magnificent trees produce strong wood and can live 500 or more years. Look at this particularly hardy individual. Douglas-fir provides habitat for some charismatic species. For example, in Marin County, the leafy lichen Loberia pulmonaria grows on the trunks of Douglas-fir, and the Calypso orchid occurs on the surrounding forest floor. Douglas-fir often occurs with other conifer species. In this video, we're going to discuss a few features that can help identify it. Learning how to identify the bark of different forest species is a good first step. The bark of young Douglas-fir trees is smooth and has horizontal markings with blistering patterns scattered along the trunk. The bark of older trees is easily recognized by its deep vertical furrows and gnarled pattern. Individual trees have two types of cones. The pollen cones are small and yellow in color. They produce pollen that is carried by the wind to the seed cone. The seed cones are woody and pendant with exserted bracts that are three-lobed, a characteristic feature of Douglas-fir. It's said that the bracts look like a mouse ducking into a hiding place with its tail trailing behind. At the base of each cone scale, there are two exposed ovules. Once fertilized by pollen, the ovules will develop into seeds. The seeds may be hidden by cone scales, but unlike in flowering plants, they are not enclosed in an ovary. In this dissected seed cone, we see two seeds and the scars on the cone scales where they developed. All gymnosperms have unenclosed seeds, and the term gymnosperm is derived from Greek. It means naked seed. Douglas-fir is a member of the pine family, Pinaceae, which has 5 genera in California: Abies, Pinaceae, Pinus, Pseudotsuga, and Tsuga. Let's take a closer look at a few of the vegetative features that can help distinguish the genus Pseudotsuga from other genera in the Pinaceae. Unlike most pines, the needles of Douglas-fir are not clustered in bundles. When the leaves fall off, they leave leaf scars on the stem. In Pseudotsuga, the leaf scars are elevated on only one side. This feature can be used to distinguish Pseudotsuga from the genus Abies, the true firs, which have depressed leaf scars that are not elevated. To distinguish Pseudotsuga from spruce and hemlock, look for persistent peg-like leaf bases. Members of the genus Pseudotsuga do not have persistent peg-like leaf bases. In California, there is one other species of Pseudotsuga, Pseudotsuga macrocarpa. It is less common than Douglas-fir and found in southwestern California in mixed pine chaparral and scrub habitats, often on north-facing slopes and other relatively cool, moist sites. The open architecture of these large trees makes them stand out on the landscape. Up close, we see deeply furrowed bark and cones that look similar to the cones of Douglas-fir. Notice the 3-lobed bracts. But as might be inferred from the name macrocarpa, meaning large fruit, the seed cones of Pseudotsuga macrocarpa are much larger than those of Pseudotsuga menziesii, variety menziesii, thereby earning the common name of bigcone Douglas-fir or bigcone spruce. Pseudotsuga macrocarpa and Pseudotsuga menziesii are each other's closest relatives, and in turn they are closely related to other taxa of Pseudotsuga in Japan, China, and Taiwan. A Western North American East Asian relationship is evident for some other California conifers as well, and is a reminder that these trees not only have the potential to live impressively long lives, but also have an ancient biogeographic history that greatly predates our modern Mediterranean-like climate. Whether you encounter Pseudotsuga in Northern California or Southern California, take a moment to appreciate the distinctive features, long lifespan, and deep evolutionary history of these beautiful trees. Thanks for watching and learning more about the trees of California.